Guys, right here, this is my YOSUDA rowing machine. It's got manual tension adjustments right here. Super compact and great rowing machine. So this is a folded form. It's very compact. If I want to, I can just lift this up and row it and move it anywhere in the studio, right? Because it's so lightweight, I can move it around and just like sit it down and store it away in the corner. It takes up very little space. And to extend it out and get it into workout position, there's a knob here and there's a pin. So I'm gonna pull out this pin. Put this pin down, and here's the knob. So I'm gonna hold onto this as I turn out the knob. This knob is very secure. Then make sure that this thing stays locked in whatever position I want it to be in. So let me take this out. See, here's the knob, look at all those threads, right? So now I can drop this down and it'll be ready to work out once I put the knob back. So here is where you're gonna lift up, put the pin in. This pin goes in just like that. So this pin goes in and locks in place. Then you have this knob here. I always lift up here and I could turn this knob in. And you see there's a lot of thread to make sure that it's very secured. And once you're done, you lock in place just like that. And you have a solid rowing machine. So here's the rowing machine. I can sit down and I can get right to work. I have these Velcro straps here for me to put my feet in, pull it and cinch it down. I can adjust my tension. I have a mode and display right here that gives me timer, calories, and distance. I have a place for my iPad or any tablet or a small phone or whatever I put right here as a display. I got my handle right here and I can do my rowing exercise. Super quiet rowing operation. This thing works your pecs, your abs, your shoulder, and your back and all in one motion. This is a fantastic rowing machine from YOSUDA. And if I want to, I can adjust the tension. Look, level 8 is just crazy. If I go to level 8, it is very tough tension. Super tough, really tough tension right here. And if you notice, it's very quiet. Listen to how quiet it is. I'll even set it to level 2. Listen. It's extremely quiet, right? So if you work out 5 in the morning, even next to your spouse sleeping, they won't be bothered because it's so quiet. And is very effective for working out like all those muscle groups I told you. Once you're done, unwrap your feet, fold it up and store it away. This is a fantastic machine. This is a YOSUDA rowing machine right here. Oh yeah.